Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be doing either a waterless or a rinseless wash on the car. We're going to be using a product that we received from the Rag Company. I placed an order when they were having their St. Patrick's Day sale, and if you see here, it says, "Congratulations from the Rag Company. We randomly selected your order to receive one free 32-ounce bottle of green Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax." And here is the No Rinse Wash and Wax. So I've already given the bottle a little bit of a shake. It did not seem as though there was too much settling at the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up a bucket and pretty much show you how to use it as a waterless wash, just spraying and wiping the surface, and then also using it in a bucket as a rinseless wash. You can do multiple mitts, you can do multiple microfiber towels, you can do one mitt and two buckets. It all depends on how you want to approach it. So if you ask 5 people, they'll give you 5 different answers. So I'm going to show you how I would approach using it, and hopefully that helps. So the directions say that you would add 1 ounce to 2 gallons of water in a bucket. Soak Optimum microfiber towel or Optimum wash sponge in the bucket and wash one section at a time till the area is clean. Dry section with Optimum drying towel. If surface dries before wiping clean, just wash and dry. So it says excessive dirty surfaces may need a second wash before drying. I'm sure the car looks clean. It's a little bit dark coming through the GoPro. I'll see if I can get some footage with the Panasonic camera. It looks clean because it's garaged. It was washed probably a month ago, maybe 5 weeks ago. It's been driven twice, and just dust from driving and from sitting in the garage with me opening and closing the garage door, entering and leaving the house. It's not filthy, so it's a good candidate to use this product. You can also use this as a clay lube. You'd add 2 ounces of Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax to a gallon of water. So I'm going to be using a 16-ounce bottle. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of math and figure out what the proper dilution ratio is. Says here, Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax with Carnauba is the fastest, easiest, and most environmentally friendly way to wash and wax any vehicle. Its proprietary polymers bond to the vehicle surfaces and trap dirt to clean without rinsing and leave a slick and glossy finish that is mar-free. Properly used, you will not scratch the surface. So it says it can also be diluted to make the most effective quick detailer and clay bar lube. So you can use this product if you have water restrictions, if you're just trying to do a little bit of a touch-up on a clean vehicle like I am now, or if it's warm enough in the winter to wash without the water freezing, and obviously you can't run the hose and you don't want to take your car through an automatic wash. Okay, as you can see here, we have half of an ounce, and we're going to be putting it into this Chemical Guys spray bottle here. I have a bucket of warm water, so I'm going to just put the bottle so here we have our bottle, and we're going to pour the Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax. The product smells fantastic. Smells, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like lime bubble gum, something like that. It smells pretty good. So I'll put the sprayer on the bottle here and just kind of shake it up a little bit. So here it is. To do the waterless wash, where we're just gonna like kind of spray the panels, spray the towel, and wipe. I'm gonna be using an Eagle Edgeless 365. Here's our towel. So we're gonna spray the towel to make it damp. And then I'm gonna start with I'll start with the windshield, and let's see how this does here. After the first couple wipes here, you can see the car is dirty, even though it looks clean. So I'll also try to use this as the leading edge. And then with the same towel, I'll just flip it over to the dry side and just kind of buff any residue here. And that's that. A little bit of lint left, but the glass is smooth. So now let's check this out on one of the painted surfaces. Again, just going to mist the one side that I'm going to use to clean. So, as you can see, the dirt, so we're going to kind of flip it and use the other side as the leading edge here for the rest of the fender. Flip it to the dry side, and I guess effectively you're gonna just you're gonna dry whatever little bit of dampness is left over. And that's pretty much it. That's how you would use it as a quick detailer, or effectively a waterless wash. You know, obviously the car's in the garage. Surface is smooth and clean. So if you're going to do it like this, you're going to want to continuously be rotating your towels. So you're going to go through quite a bit of towels. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it in a bucket. I'm going to put 2 ounces in, I don't know, about 3 gallons worth of water, and use a mitt, and then we'll work on the hood. Yeah, this video is probably going to be longer than I want it to be, but here it is. 2 ounces in the 5-gallon bucket. There is a grit guard on the bottom, and then this is a mitt that AutoGeek sells specifically as a rinseless wash mitt. I don't really use it, so I figured I'd use it on this demonstration. We're going to go ahead and clean the hood. You're going to want to kind of wring it out. You don't want it to be dry, but you don't want to create a mess, especially since I'm in the garage. I'm not trying to soak the garage floor. So we're going to kind of wring it out here. And when you bring it up, probably still piddling a little bit here. Give it the front part another squeeze, and then like that. And then if you want, you can actually pre-treat the surface. And then you're just going to do half of the hood. Applying no pressure to the mitt, just the weight of the mitt itself on the hood. And that's it. You can't really see too much dirt on the mitt, so I'm going to put that directly back into the wash bucket, and then I'm going to take my 365 towel, flip it around to a little bit of the lower pile, and I'm just going to dry the surface. And that's pretty much it. See, it's just a little bit damp in a couple spots. The other side is still dirty, so we're going to go ahead and go around the whole car with the bucket, just because it's going to be a little bit faster. And that's pretty much it. There's not much thought that goes into it. It's just a little bit different because you're not using the hose. But, you know, simple, easy, and effective. And that's it. So, had the Adams bottle here. That is another video. I'll leave the link to that above. So, for a quick demonstration on the Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax with Carnauba. Clean, shine, and protect in one step. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.